Hello student, I am Zahid from Evershine School. I am here for you again to discuss some more question of JEE. In the previous class, I explained the properties of vector. In this class, we will do some question related to this. So without wasting our time, we are going to start. Okay, now here's the question on the screen. Let's see with the projection vector of B equal to lambda I cap plus 4k cap, and lambda is given greater than 0. On the vector A, which is given I cap plus 2j cap plus 2k cap. If A plus B magnitude equals to 7, then the area of parallelogram formed by the vectors B and C. We all know about it. If a vector is formed by two adjacent sides, B and C, so its area will be magnitude of B cross C. So to find the area of parallelogram formed by these two vectors will be magnitude of B cross C. So we need to find B cross C. So vector B is given in terms of lambda and vector C is not given. Okay, we'll find them. We'll find these two values. Okay. So first, we are given C is projection vector. Okay. C is the projection vector of B on this. So formula of projection vector. Projection vector of B on A, so it will be A dot B upon mod of A square into vector A. This is the formula of projection vector. Projection vector can be found by this formula. Okay, I explained in my previous class. You can see it. So here A is given, but B is not given. It is given in terms of lambda. That means, so I can put the values here. If I find the dot product of these two, so I have to multiply the corresponding terms. So I multiply with lambda I, so it will be lambda plus 2j multiply with what? Nothing is there in terms of j. That means j is not there. If j is not here, that means its value is 0. So 0 into something will be 0. Now the third is 2k, which is multiplied with 4. So 4 2s are 8 upon magnitude of A, that will be 1 square plus 2 square plus 2 square root, and we need to find the square of it. Multiply with vector A. Multiply with vector A. So finally it will be lambda plus 8 upon 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4 plus 1 9. Root of 9 will be 3. So square of 3 will be 9. Multiply with vector A. So this is the value of vector C. Now next you are given A plus C magnitude equals to 7. So here I can write A plus C magnitude equal to 7. So here I can find squaring both sides, or I can put the value of A to simplify it. What is the value of C? C is lambda plus 8 by 9A. So I can replace C by this value. So A plus lambda plus 8 upon 9 into A magnitude equal to 7. Now if I simplify it, it will be 9 plus 8 17. 17A plus lambda A upon 9 equal to 7. Now here we are having the magnitude of it. So I can take A as a common factor. If I take A as a common factor, so it will be magnitude of A multiplied with 17 plus lambda upon 9 equals to 7. Here we need to find the magnitude of A, which is 3. You can see. So I can write this one as 3 into 17 plus lambda upon 9 equal to 7. Now next I have to find the value of lambda. So I can simplify it. I can cancel it. 3 3s are 9. So I'll be getting 17 plus 17 plus lambda. 17 plus lambda upon 3 equal to 7. Now I can find the cross multiplication. 17 plus lambda equal to 21. So lambda will be equal to 21 minus 17. So lambda is 4. I got the value of lambda now. Now next I can put the value of lambda in vector B. So vector B will be equal to 4 I cap plus 4 k cap. This is the value of vector B. Now next I need to find vector C. So as I told you, vector C is equal to A dot B upon mod of A square into vector A. This is the formula of vector C. So A dot B, find the dot product of A and B. So 4 ones are 4 and J is not there, so leave J. 4 2s are 8. Upon magnitude of A, which is 3, square of 3 will be 9, multiply with vector A. Vector A is I cap plus 2 j cap plus 2 k cap. Now I will simplify it. 8 and 4 will be 12. So 12 by 9 multiply with I cap plus 2 j cap plus 2 k cap. Okay. Now I can cancel them by 3. So 3 4s are 12 and 3 3s are 9. I cap plus 2 j cap and plus 2 k cap. Okay, I got the value of C. So I got B and C. I need to find area of parallelogram formed by B and C. So I can find their cross product. So B cross C. Here I need to find B cross C. So B cross C can be found by matrix method. So I cap, j cap and k cap. Now vector B is 4, I cap, j is 0 and k is 4. Now C, in C, I is 1, j is 2 and k is 2. And this 4 by 3 can be kept outside of it. Okay, I can find now their cross multiplication. So 4 by 3 will be as it is. I can solve it if I take I. So this column, first column and first row will be left, and the remaining 4 elements are left which can be multiplied diagonally. 0 into 2 will be 0 and 2 4s are 8. Now next is J. So I can multiply them. 4 2s are 8 minus 4 1s are 4. The third one is k cap. So 4 2s are 8 minus 0 1s are 0. Okay. So now I'll be getting 4 by 3 minus 8 I cap minus 4 j cap and 8 k cap. So this is B cross C. Next I need to find its magnitude. So to find its magnitude, we have to proceed the same process which we did in many of the questions. So 4 by 3 will be as it is, square root of 8 plus square of 4 plus square of 8. So 4 by 3 will be as it is. 8 8s are 64. 4 4s are 16 and 8 8s are 64. Now simplify it and that will be the result exactly. You can do it easily yourselves. Okay. Now move to the next question. Let A equals to ik plus jk plus kk and B equals to 2ik plus 2jk plus 2kk plus kk, sorry, and D equals to A cross B. If C is a vector such that A dot B is given mod of C or magnitude of C, and magnitude of C minus 2A square is 8, and the angle between C and D is pi by 4, then I need to find 10 minus 3 B dot C mod plus mod of square of mod of D cross C. Okay, we'll find it. Now what we are given, A vector is given and B vector is given. So D is cross of A and B. So first we'll find vector D. First we'll find vector D. So vector D will be equal to cross product of A and B. And we have done a lot of question to find the cross product. So it's very easy to find. We can do it by matrix method. So 1, 1 and 1, 2, 2 and 1. I put the values here. Now if I take I cap, it will be 1 1s are 1 and 2 1s are 2. Now if I take J, then 1 1s are 1, 2 1s are 2. Next if I take K, so 2 1s are 2 and 2 1s are 2. So finally I'll be getting minus I cap and plus J cap, and that will be 0. K will be 0 here. So this is the vector D. Next I am given C minus 2. Okay, magnitude of C minus 2 is square root of 8. That means C minus 2a magnitude square is 8. It is given to me. Now I'll simplify it. Okay, so I have to erase it. Now how can we multiply them? I can apply the dot product of these two. So C dot C minus 2a dot C minus 2a, which is equal to 8. Now multiply them. C dot C will be mod of C square minus 2 C dot A. Now for the minus 2 C dot A, minus of minus will be plus 2 2s are 4. A dot A will be mod of A square, which is equal to 8. Now C dot A. C dot A is given mod of C. So I can write this one is mod of C square minus 2 mod of C minus 2 mod of C plus 4. Now square of magnitude of A. So magnitude of A will be root 3. You can see 1 square, 1 square, 1 square root. So square of it will be 3, which is equal to 8. You can find the magnitude easily by adding the square of the coefficient of I, j and k and then taking the square root. So the value of magnitude of A will be root 3, square of it will be 3. Now magnitude of C square minus 4 magnitude of C, 2 plus 2 will be 4, and 4 3s are 12 minus 8 equal to 0. So mod of C square minus 4 mod of C plus 4 equal to 0. I can factorize it. It will be mod of C minus 2 whole square. So here the value of mod of C will be equal to 2. You can find the value of mod of C, which is equals to 2. Clear now? Okay. Now next, what I'm given? We are given that the angle between D and C is pi by 4. We'll find the angle. So here I can write the value of mod of C. Mod of C equal to 2. The column I have to written. Now I want to erase it first. Now beta, see what we have to do next. Angle between D and C is given pi by 4. So as we know, D cross C will be equal to magnitude of D, magnitude of C, sine theta and n cap. If I find the magnitude of this, D cross C magnitude, so this will be magnitude of D, magnitude of C, and sine pi by 4, and n cap will be 1 because it is unit vector, that's why. Now I can put the value here. So first we have to see the value of magnitude of D. The value of D I'll see in the previous. First we have to see the value of D, which we did in the previous. So I can find the value of D. We found. Yes, beta, here is D. So D is minus I cap plus J cap. So its magnitude will be equal to root 2. I can write here. Magnitude of D is root 2 and vector D is minus I cap plus J cap. Minus I cap plus J cap. Okay, I just written here. So I'll use this value. As you know, the magnitude of C is 2. Okay, now next I'll find D cross C magnitude. That is magnitude of D, magnitude of C, sine pi by 4. It is given angle between them is pi by 4. So what is the value of D? Root 2. Okay. C is 2 and sine 45 is 1 by root. So I can cancel root 2 by root 2. I need to find a square of magnitude of D cross C. So that will be equals to square of 2, that will be 4. Got it? Now next what we'll find, we are given D equal to A cross B. D equal to A cross B. So I can multiply both side by C. C cross D equal to C cross A cross B. Now I can apply the formula here, which I explained in my previous lecture. It will be equal to C dot B multiply with A minus of C dot A multiply with B. Okay, this is the formula. Now I'll leave this one as it is, B dot C or C dot B multiply with A. So this is your vector A. I'll write it later. Now C dot A. C dot A is mod of C, which is equal to 2. So this can be written as 2B. Okay. B dot C dot A minus 2B. This is the value of C cross D. This is the value of C cross D. Now I'll find its magnitude. So C cross D magnitude will be magnitude of B dot C and magnitude of A minus 2 magnitude of B. So C cross D is 2. I can write this one is 2. Now B dot C is not given, leave it as it is. Magnitude of A, this is your A vector. it will be root 3, root 3. Now this one is 2 magnitude of b. B is here 441 root of 9, that will be. Now next I need to find square of it because I need it. So find squaring both side. If I find square both side, it will be 4 equal to b dot c square into 3 minus 2 3s are 6. I can solve them by transposition method. So 4 plus 6 upon 3 equal to b dot c mod square. So 10 by 3 equal to b dot c mod square. Okay. Now I'll put the values here. I got all these values. Now if I find b dot c, that will be 10 by 3 root equals to b dot c. Now I'll put all the values here and I can simplify it, and that will be my result. Okay. Now next. Okay. Vector A is given ik plus jk plus kk, and vector B is given 3ik plus 2jk minus kk, and C is given lambda jk plus mu kk, and D be a unit vector such that A cross D cap equals to B cross D cap, and C dot D cap is equals to 1. If C is perpendicular to A, then we need to find this value. Now first we are given A cross D cap is equals to B cross D cap. I can write this one, A cross D cap. A cross D cap equal to B cross D cap. Okay. So now here I can transpose them. So it will be equal to A cross D cap minus B cross D cap equal to. Now I can take common. So A minus B into this, that will be cross multiplication, equal to 0. Now I can find A minus B easily. A minus B. So 1 minus 3 minus 2 I cap, 1 minus 2 minus of 1 j cap, 1 minus of minus 1 will be plus 2 k cap. Okay. So I got the value of A minus B. A minus B cross with D cap, that equals to 0. Now I can consider this one is xik, yj cap and zk cap. So minus 2 I cap minus j cap plus 2 k cap cross with x I cap plus y j cap plus z k cap, which is equal to 0, which is equals to 0. Now I can find the cross product by matrix method. So I, j and k, minus 2 minus 1 and 2 x y and z, which is equal to. So here I can simplify them easily. Minus 2 minus, wait a minute, oh sorry, z, it is z beta. This one is z. So if I take I cap, it will be minus z minus 2 minus of j, so minus 2z minus 2x. If I take k, then it will be minus 2y plus of x equals to 0. Now here I can compare both sides. In RHS nothing is there, that is 0. That means each term will be 0, then only it will be 0. So here I'll put each of them will be equal to 0. So the first, minus z minus 2y equal to 0. Minus z minus 2y equal to 0, which gives minus z equal to 2y, or z equal to minus of. Next, 2z plus 2x equal to 0, which gives z equal to minus of x. Z equal to minus of x. Third one, minus 2y plus x equal to 0, which gives x equal to 2y. X equal to 2y. I can replace the value of x here, so I can find the value of z easily. So z will be equal to minus of 2y. Minus of 2y. So I have converted all terms in terms of y. Okay. Or you can see here. Okay. Now as you are given that d is a unit vector, because here cap on it, so I can put them equals to 1. That means the magnitude of d will be equal to 1. D is a unit vector, it is given. So magnitude of d will be equal to 1. Magnitude of d will be equal to 1. So I'll find it. So d will be x square plus y square plus z square root, which is equals to 1. So I can write this one as x square plus y square plus z square equal to 1, equals to 1. Okay. Now I can put the value of x. X is 2y, so square of 2y. This y will be as it is. And z is minus 2y, so square of minus 2y equal to 1. Equal to 1. Now I will simplify it. I'll simplify it. So 2 2s are 4. 4y square plus y square plus 4y square equal to 1, which gives 9. Y square is equals to 1, so y will be 1/3. It can be taken as plus and minus, it's your choice what you take. So y will be 1/3. Next, if y is 1/3, so as I know, z equal to minus z equals to 2y. If y is 1/3, so z will be minus 2/3. Z will be minus 2/3. And we know x equal to z, x equals to z with negative sign. Okay. So z is 2/3, so x will be plus 2/3. It will be plus 2/3. Sorry, x will be minus of z, so minus of minus will be plus. From third you can see z will be equal to minus of x. So x will be minus of z. Z is minus 2/3, so x will be plus 2/3. I got the value of a, b and c. Now vector d will be equal to 2/3 I cap plus 1/3 j cap minus 2/3 k cap. So I got the value of vector d. Once we get vector d, so one more thing is given, c dot d cap is equals to 1 and c is perpendicular to a. By these two conditions, we will find the value of c. So I can write vector d here. This is your vector d. Okay. Next, I am given c dot d cap equal to 1. This is your vector d. So c dot this 2 by 3 I cap plus 1 by 3 j cap minus 2 by 3 equal to 1. This condition is given to me. Now I can consider C as a I cap plus b j cap plus c multiply with 2 by 3 I cap minus 1 by 3 j cap minus 2 by 3 equals to 1. So it will be 2 by 3a minus 1 by 3b minus 2 by 3. Okay, this one is given, which is equals to 1, which is equal. Now I can simplify it. So it will be 2a minus b minus 2c equal to 3. This is the first equation. Now second can be formed by the dot product of c and a, because c and a are perpendicular, and we know in perpendicular the dot product is always equals to 0. So I can find the dot product of a and c. The dot product of a and c I'll find. So a dot c will be equal to 0. So this is your vector a. So it will be a plus b plus c equals to 0. Now I am having these two equations. I can solve them to find the answer. Once I get it, I can put the values here and I can simplify it easily. I'll be getting the value of this. Or vector c is given in terms of lambda and mu. Vector c is given in terms of lambda and mu. So another method to solve is, see this method also. We have another method to solve it. Now beta vector c is lambda plus mu. C is given lambda jk plus mu kk. This is another way. And d vector is 2 by 3 I cap minus 1/3 j cap minus 2/3 k cap. So I can find the dot product. So it will be 2 lambda by 3 and j is not there. So it will be 2 by 3 mu, which is equals to 1. So on solving, it will be 2 lambda minus 2 mu equal to 3. 2 lambda minus 2 mu is equals to 3. Now second, a dot c. A dot c is 0 because these are perpendicular vector. Vector a and c are perpendicular, so their dot will be 0. So a is here and c is here. So it will be lambda. It will be lambda plus mu. Lambda plus mu equal to 0. Now these two equations I can solve easily. 2 lambda minus 2 mu equal to 3. I'll solve these by elimination method. So I can multiply this equation by 2. So 2 lambda minus 2 mu equal to 0. 2 lambda minus 2 mu equal to 3. So mu cancel by mu. 4 lambda. 4 lambda will be equals to this 3. 4 lambda equal to 3. So lambda will be 3 by 4. I can put the value of lambda to get the value of mu, and then I can find vector c. Once I get it, I can put the value here and I can simplify it. So that will be your answer. Next. Now next is a is a vector I k plus 2 j k plus k k, and another vector b 3 I k minus 3 j k plus 3 k k, and c is a vector 2 I k minus j k plus 2 k k, and d is a vector such that b cross d is equal to c cross d, and a dot d equals to 4. Then I need to find the value of this. Okay, now see, B cross D equal to C cross D. Okay, B cross D equal to C cross D. Now I can write this one as B cross D minus C cross D equal to 0. So here I can take D as a common term, so that will be the result exactly. Now I can find B minus C. B is given and C is given, so B minus C, 3 minus 2, 1 I cap, minus 3 minus of minus 1, that will be minus 2, minus 2, now 3 minus 2 K cap. So this is B minus C cross with D equal to 0. This one is given to me. Okay, now next A dot D is given, which is equal to 4. A is I cap plus 2 J cap plus K cap. This is the value of A. A dot D, A dot D, A dot D equal to 4. This is the another condition, and I need to find this one. Okay, so I have these two conditions. I'll simplify them and I'll find the answer. So here I can take vector D as xik, yj cap and kk cap, and then we can find it easily because we have done a lot of questions of this kind. Clear, beta? We can find their cross product. We can consider D as xik, yj cap, zk cap, and here we will find their dot product. Here we will find their cross product, and we'll simplify them to get the answer. I hope it's clear now. You can do it yourselves. कर लेंगे बेटा. Very simple. We have done a lot of questions the same kind, so you will try this. If you're in doubt, you can speak to me. Next. Now let the three sides of a triangle ABC given by the vectors this and this, and G is the centroid of the triangle. Then we need to find this value. So for this we have to draw the figure. We have to draw the figure of it. Suppose we have a triangle A, B and C. We can consider the coordinates of A as 0, 0. This can be taken as origin. Now side AB is given 2 I cap minus j cap plus k cap. The next side BC is given I cap it is given I cap minus 3 j cap minus 5 k cap, and third side is given 3 I cap minus 4 j cap minus 4. Okay beta, so we can find the coordinates of B and C easily. So AB will be equals to B minus A. If I find AB, that will be B minus A. So A is 0, 0, 0. So ultimately the coordinates of B will be 2 I cap minus j cap plus k. Sorry, the position vector of B. The position vector of B will be this. Now similarly C. So AC will be equal to C minus A. So C will be equal to 3 I cap minus 4 j cap minus 4 k. So we can find the coordinates of A, B and C easily. I can take A as the origin. So its coordinate will be 0, 0, 0. Now if I find AB side, the formula says vector B minus vector A. It will be position vector of B minus position vector of A. So A is 0, 0. So B will be as it is. Similarly, if I find AC, so it will be C minus A. So A is 0, 0, 0. So C will be the same vector 3 I cap minus 4 j cap and minus 4 k cap. Clear? So I got A, B and C all. Vector A will be 0 I cap, 0 j cap and 0 k cap. Okay. Now as you know, centroid. The coordinate of centroid is given by 1/3 vector A, vector B and vector C. This is the formula. So I can put the values here. Vector A is 0 0 0, so I'll not put it, I'll put B and C. So 2 I cap minus j cap plus k cap plus 3 I cap minus 4 j cap minus 4 k cap divided by 3. Okay, divided by 3. Now beta 2 I cap plus 3 I cap 5 I cap. Okay, 2 plus 3 5 minus j and minus 4j, that will be minus 5j plus 1k minus 4k, that will be minus 3 upon 3. So I got the coordinates of G, that means centroid. Coordinate of centroid I got. Clear? See again what I have done. First, I have just taken A as origin, whose coordinate can be taken as 0 0 0. Now side AB is given, so formula of AB will be B minus A. By this method I found the value of B, and AC will be C minus A, so I can find the coordinates of C, or we can say the position vector of C. So the position vector of centroid will be equal to 1/3 A plus B plus C. So A is 0, I have not written here, and I have added B and C and divide the sum by 3, so I'll be getting this answer. Okay, next what I need to find? AG. I need to find AG. So AG will be G minus A. AG will be G minus A. Vector AG will be G minus A. G is 5 by 3 I cap minus 5 by 3 j cap and minus k. Okay, this is 5. So G minus A is 0, 0 minus 0 0, so it will be the same result. Okay, it will not be changed. Next I need to find BG. I need to find BG. So BG will be equal to G minus B. G minus B. So G is 5 by 3 I cap minus 5 by 3 j cap minus k. Minus of B. So the coordinates of B, or the vector B, is 2 I cap minus j cap plus k cap. You can find it easily by subtracting them. Similarly, I can find CG, so it will be C minus G. I can find CG, that will be C minus G. So this is the coordinate of C, and coordinates of G you got from here. So you can put the values and simplify it. Once you get it, put the value here, and that will be your result. It's very easy to find. I think you can do it yourselves. Once you get AG, BG and CG, find the magnitude of them, and then squaring of them, just add them, multiply the result by 6. So it's a very basic thing. You can do it yourselves, I think. So I hope, is it clear? It is clear to you, beta? That's good. That's good. Now I have to end the class because we have discussed a lot of question here. Okay, student. Bye.